The name of your venture is quite innovative. What prompted you to name your company Enriched Soil and Soul? This is the
Oh, beautiful. I really loved your question. This entire journey, not only as an urban gardener, I started studying soil of, our entire country. And I came to know that our soil has lost the organic matter because of our chemical agriculture practices. This all humus. See, on one side, every one of us who is eating food is wasting the organic matter to the landfills. It's not going back to the soil where it should go. And secondly, our chemical practices, whether growing even small flowers around our home, we use so many chemicals. आप माली को पूछो, माली मेरा ये गमला अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, माली बोलता है मैडम थोड़ा चम्मच भर यूरिया डाल देता हूँ. So these chemical invasions in our soil, we have lost agriculturable soil. This is not the story only of our country. The entire world has lost organic matter in the soil, and therefore it is predicted that if the same chemical practices and the same deprivation of organic matter from the soil continues, we can produce food only till 2050. Beyond that, our mother earth, our mother soil will not be able to give us food if we continue the same practice. Therefore, I felt an urge to enrich the soil by her own right. Actually, she deserves the organic matter that she is giving to me. This every plant that is in front of me right now, whenever it falls, whenever it dies, the mother earth deserves that leaves compost to get back her organic matter.